Tired of dropped calls and slow internet while traveling in your camper van? Meet the Nikrans LCD-GL-Camp, your ultimate solution for strong, reliable signals on the go. This innovative GSM, 4G, and 3G mobile signal booster is designed specifically for camper vans. With simple installation and full compliance with CE and RoHS safety certifications, it's both easy to use and trustworthy. Order today, and we'll ship it the next business day via DHL, FedEx, or EMS Express delivery. The Nikrans LCD-GL-Camp stands out with its powerful Yagi antenna, far superior to standard magnetic antennas. That's why it's perfect for larger vehicles like camper vans, ensuring wider coverage and stronger signals. It supports 800 and 900 MHz frequency bands, widely used by mobile operators across Europe and beyond. Whether you're making calls or browsing the web, this booster enhances both voice and mobile internet for many providers. Travel anywhere with confidence, knowing your connection will stay stable. What makes this model special? It features an LCD display to show all the key details about your device's performance. The advanced Yagi antenna captures even the weakest signals and boosts them for better reception. For added convenience, it comes with 2 charger options, a standard 220V plug, and a cigar lighter adapter. Plus, it meets international safety standards, so you can trust it's safe for you and the environment. Installation is a breeze. The included step-by-step manual guides you through the process, even if you've never installed a signal booster before. The Nikrans LCD-GL-Camp is the best way to improve weak mobile signals in camper vans. You can enjoy stable voice communication and strong 4G, LTE, 3G in different countries. Don't let weak signals ruin your adventures. Upgrade to the Nikrans LCD-GL-Camp today and enjoy crystal clear calls and fast internet wherever you roam. Use coupon code VIDEO to save €10 on your order. Visit our website now and stay connected on the road.